I'm ready to get my walk on. I'm not going to be walking around with my mask because that is dumb. We're outside. Check my fit, babes. Today was not the day to be on Japanese TV as the random token foreigner. Look, there's a foreigner at mt.takao. No, not today. So we ran away. Most of my vlogs these days are me running away from Japanese people. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, it can't go in the middle. Sorry. Look at the toilets, you can tell which ones are open. Oh my god. Ah, this is cool. I love the red torii gate. Everybody, I'm here in Shibuya. I'm about to go to what the hell is it? I'm about to go to Meiji Goen, which is like, usually there's like ginkgo trees there, which are yellow, pretty trees in the fall season, autumn season to British people out there. But we're gonna go to this light show, so I'm excited. Word of warning, it absolutely stinks here. So when you're walking, you'll think, oh, this is so beautiful, and then you're like, ooh, it smells so bad, why? Lots of people taking photos. I want it to be like a disco, like a rave. Thank you. caramel, praline and caramel. I love this flavor, guys. Walked just to find this cup. I love this. This flavor is so rare, and I think I know the formula finally, so I'm gonna try it. I feel like I'm eating a little tiny piece of heaven. It's so good. Feels so good. It's so cold these days. I love having something really hot to drink in the morning. It just wakes me right up and just gets me started for my day. I'm quietly listening to some music because I don't want to disturb the neighbors. The walls are paper thin in Japan. I'm very, very excited of what's to come. So I'm very busy these days, but I just wanted to come on here and wrap this vlog up for you. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I get up to now and again, and seeing like the fun events that are available and pop up around Japan. Sometimes you won't see it for 2 years, 3 years, you just never know when, or it will never come back again. So take advantage of pop-up events and things like that whenever you can. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Our community is growing, so I'm very happy about that. And the more that you share, that you like, that you subscribe, and that you contribute in the comments, it all helps this community to grow. The more that my content grows, the more opportunities and the more content that you will see, so it goes full circle. I will urge you to check out the post that I made a couple of days ago about what kind of content do you enjoy the most. That really helps me keep a finger on the pulse and lets me know what you guys want to see. I do things for myself, but I also do them for you, to help you, to guide you, to show you things. So let me know what you prefer over in the community tab. What do you love about fall or autumn season where you're from? Have you managed to make it over to Japan yet? What do you hope to enjoy? Let me know in the comments down below. Join me on Instagram because that acts as a second channel over there. And until next time, guys, faito, gambate, peace and love.